Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. I'm Kristen Scholler down here on the floor of the stock exchange, and we promised you that we would hear from the bell ringing company before we have to let you go, and that's exactly what we're doing right now down here on the trading floor. Of course, earlier this hour, CubeSmart rang the opening bell to celebrate 20 years as an NYSE-listed company. And joining me now with more is Guy Middlebrooks. He's CubeSmart's Executive Vice President of Operations. Guy, thanks so much for joining, and congratulations.
Thank you so much for having us. What a thrill and an honor, and we're so excited about our 20-year anniversary.
We're so excited to welcome you here and celebrate alongside you at the New York Stock Exchange. 20 years is an impressive anniversary. What stands out to you over the past 2 decades?
So when you think of the ups and downs of the economy and different things we go through, the pandemic, what really stands out at CubeSmart, it's not just the business that we do, but it's our people. It's the culture. It's our teammates, over 3,000 teammates around the country that work at CubeSmart, serving our customers, living out that culture, providing genuine care, unparalleled service. Those are the things that really we're very proud of.
Give our viewers a sense as to the industry that CubeSmart is a part of.
Well, self-storage is an interesting industry. It's been somewhat discovered at this point, and folks are aware of it. What we've seen over the last several years, it's more than just someone going through a life change, like a marriage or a divorce or kids going away to college. People use self-storage now as an extension of their home. So people live in smaller homes, builders are building smaller dwellings, and they need a place to put their things year-round. So it's turned into a year-round business. We still have our small businesses and commercial customers, very important to us as well, but the industries continue to evolve.
20 years as an NYSE-listed company, what do you hope is in store for the next 20 years?
Well, we're going to continue to invest and reinvest in our platform and our people and our technology, and we have to constantly focus on where do we need to meet our customers, where do they want to be met in their journey of needing self-storage, and we're going to continue to do that.
And what else can you share with us as we celebrate here at the Stock Exchange today?
So when you think about self-storage, it's been somewhat resilient. So when you do think about the different economic situations and the recession and the pandemic, there's been a needs and a use case for self-storage customers through it all, and we expect that to continue.
Is this an environment where you're finding that clients do have questions based on some of the volatility that we've seen of late?
Somewhat, but when there are concerns with the consumer and consumer confidence, self-storage is actually a solution for them. It's an inexpensive place to put their things when they don't know what's next. So sure, they have questions, but self-storage is a needs-based business, and there's continues to be a need.
Guy Middlebrooks, Executive Vice President of Operations at CubeSmart, of course, here listed at the New York Stock Exchange with a big milestone today. Guy, thanks so much.